Here, check out the view. Look at that. Beautiful. So majestic. Beautiful. Let's get it. All right. Oh, chunky monkey. Oh. 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 Oh, I hit my pedal on that. Yikes. Hit my pedal on that. My poor pedal has to deal with me. Oh God, what the heck? Oh, too slow for that. Ooh, that's sketchy. I think that was supposed to be a drop. Turned it into a roller. So slow. Don't know this trail. Oh, that'll get you in trouble real quick. How about this? Okay, needed more speed on that too. Dang, I think I'm gonna need more speed. A lot of these features, if they're all like that. Let's see, more trail warnings. Yeah. Heavy hits out here. All right, another one. Oh, okay. That's what I get for going on a black trail. Hard mode. Oh, burn. Okay. So far, pretty fun. A little scary at the beginning. Is that a jump? Let's try it. Okay. Needs more juice though. Need more juice. All right. I think this is the way. Let's just go straight. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sure, my tires hate me. I know. Warning, rock garden. Oh yeah. Oh shoot. Oh. Oh. All right. All right. You got this. Let's go. Ooh. Oh shit. You're trying to figure out if that's jumpable too?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Get that.
Yeah. I looked at it. I don't think I have the clearance. Oh, I don't think you can jump that. Yeah, this for sure. Oh, oh, two line choices on that. Okay, I think this is the way. Wah! Back wheel washed out a little bit. We're all good. It's all under control. Control is the name of the game here. Something I like. Alright. 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 Oh. Ooh. Okay. Alright. Caution. What? What's up? Rock garden. Oh. Oh. Ow. Okay, Drew got me. It's all good. Keep going. Ah. Also a tree. It's all good. Just shoulder checking a couple trees. It's all good. Oh boy, it's gonna hurt later. Almost washed out there too. Man. Oh. What a downhill. Little uppity up. Oh, okay. Oh. You know what? I think I took a wrong turn. It's fine. I don't remember there being... Well, then again, I just went up one way. That's definitely launchable. Lunchables. Missed out on that one. That one too. Man. Tell you what though, it's pretty fun. Terrifying. Not fun. Whew. Well, not really terrifying. Still within my limits, but... Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Double. A little too fast. Too fast, too fast, too fast. Too fast for not knowing this trail. Oh. Whew. Whew. Boy, oh boy. So workout. Everything. Oh, okay. Shut up. Concentrate. Oh, see what happens? Oh. Oh. Okay. All right. Oh, I'm seated. I'm in the seated position. All right. Let's see here. I'll rock the boat or that way. Pretty sure it's that way. Continue. Pretty sure I'm don't rock the Boone trail. It's all black diamonds. It doesn't matter. All right. A little respite. Rocky garden. Oh, I don't think that was a thing. All right, I got a little of a peddler here. It's funny because pedaling gives me time to relax on a trail like this. Yeah. All right. Oh, what is that? All right. Okay. Okay. Rollers. Rollers. Everybody loves a good roller. What's this? All right, finally. Let's take a break. Blue Dream. Jump trail, let's go. Sorry, derailleur. Sideways, huh? Nope. Yeah, this one though. Oh, that's a into a drop. Good drop. All right, out here alone. I don't want to attempt that drop. Besides, there was that only one guy I passed on Old Hoss or New Boss. So if I fail that gap, it's gonna take a while to get my body. All right, let's get it. Let's finish the remainder of this jump trail. Ooh, start off in the berm. What the heck am I doing? All right, get some speed. Oh, wait, my foot. Oh, I failed that one. Oh. Yeah, I'm not feeling it today. It's all good. Yeah, definitely not feeling jumps today. Better be safe than sorry. And then this is a transfer station. I think it takes you to those army trucks. I'd say it's army trucks too. What's this say? Dual slow limb jump style trail. That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. I hope it goes down to the army trucks. Let's try it anyway. Oh, I see the gaps there, but pretty sure they're just... Oh, shoot. Oh. Wow. Oh. Yeah, no. No beans. No beans for this. No beans in that can. Oh. Oh. That's awesome. Oh, that's what I missed out on last time. Oh, here's a dead body inside the army truck. Nice, guys. Jumbo shrimp. Gumbo shrimp. Well, that's a tight berm, brother. I'm messing up these berms. My bad. Oh, little piddly. All right. Whew. Oh, right. Get tight ass berms. Oh, I took that wrong. All right. Continue. Oops. Oh. Ah. Oh, that's stupid of me. It's all good. That's why we wear the knee stuff. Bike's good? Yeah, bike's good. A double. Shoot. Oh, take a break real quick. Yeah, my legs are toast from earlier. I think there's like a log roll or something. Rock roll, right. It rained, so too slick for my taste right now. Here we go again. Oh no, I am definitely one sec. What a scuffed run. It's okay. Get you down. Messing up these berms, are so tight. I'm so tired. Come on, area. Oh God, that could have been bad. Oh, that's a double. I see. Let's take a break right here. Just a little, catch my breath. That's it. Oh, getting a phone call. Am I locked out? No, I'm not. Yeah, no thanks. I just want the fastest way home. This is the fastest way home. Oh, man, they really toss you here. That's a big tabletop. Ah. Yeah, I'm not clearing any of this today, but I'm just glad to be able to ride home. That shit is so, yeah. They said let off the brakes. Man, this is like freaking Whistler. Double. Sorry, berm. That suck. Whew. Yeah, getting tired. All right, all right. Even that's not within my reach right now. Too tired. But I think that's it. Okay, that should be it. No? What the hell? Okay. It's kindergarten. Let's just finish it. I love this trail. All right. Nice ride.